Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a update on my Retin-A journey. What I want to tell you is first that I started using Retin-A because I have sebaceous hyperplasia. And what that is they are oil glands that get filled up with oil, they get hard, and then you get these stupid little bumps. When I was young, everybody used to tell me, oh, you're so lucky you have oily skin because you won't have wrinkles. Well, maybe I don't have that, but I have bumps. And I think I'd rather have wrinkles because at least with wrinkles, there's so much you can do if you have wrinkles now. I mean, if you know, Retin-A, you have Retin-A that we're going to talk about. You have serums like hyaluronic acid that will help plump up your skin. There's Botox, fillers. There's so many things you can do with wrinkles. Sebaceous hyperplasia, there's not much that you can do. You can have them removed, but then they will come back. I mean, they might not be in the same spot, but you'll get more. And it's just horrible. I just wish somebody would come up with something. I'm gonna experiment with something really soon. Anyways, you can have them removed. There's different things you can do, but there's really no cure for it. Men get it, women get it, usually get when you're older, and usually people that have oily skin get it. That is why I started using Retin-A, because that was one of the things that can help to not really eliminate them, but it can help so they don't look as bad, so they don't look as raised. And I have days where they look really bad, like they just look really bad. And then other days you can barely even see them. It just sucks, really. That's all I can say. So that is why I started using Retin-A. And I started with the lowest dose, and then I decided to go a little bit higher. I don't know, I think once I'm done with this, I might go back down to what I was using before, and I can't remember what it was. It was at 0.5? Was it 0.5%? I think that's what I was using before. Or was it 0.25? I think it was I think I was using 0.5. I can't remember. Now I'm using 0.1. And this is a lot stronger. I just felt like I can't get past the flakiness, and that's what they say. They say too that you have to use it more than that, even though my doctor told me that's all I had to do. But then you read articles that say that you should be using it more, so now I am. I'm using it 3 times a week. It's getting better. But what I do now is I moisturize my face before I apply it, and that seems to be helping with this. This has been a game changer. Now, what I was doing when I was applying this too, which I really haven't been doing this anymore because this is so much stronger, I feel like my face can't take it. So what I do anyways is I put a moisturizer on all over my face. Then I go in with this, either an oil, this nice, I'm popping up there, a marula oil. Sometimes I will put marula oil on first. And then I will put my Retin-A on. And then I will put my Belief Moisture Balm on it. Or I will just put this Moisture Balm on and this. And then I will put this on top of it again. You know, I kind of layer it up. But what I do is I just take the size of a pea. Okay, so I'll moisturize it, my face, put the size of a pea on, I put it on my hands, I put it all over. I don't put it on my nose anymore. I used to put it on my nose, but I'm like, why am I putting it on my nose? The reason I don't put it on my nose is I have an issue with dryness, especially right here. And it just makes it worse if I put this on my nose. So I just don't put it on my nose. I put it all over my face. And then, like I said, I will put a moisturizer on. So when I put the moisturizer on, some of it may get here and it gets there, but I don't put it on my eyes anymore like I used to. I just don't do that anymore. I was doing that, but I just felt like, I don't know, my skin was getting drier and drier. So I just, you have to listen to your skin. If your skin's getting drier, then you just have to adjust what you're doing. So this is just what I'm doing now. But I've been using this for, like I said, for 2 years now. And I feel like the more I use it, the better my skin is. I really don't want to stop using it. I know some people stop using it. I really don't want to. And I'm afraid to because of my sebaceous hyperplasia. Like I said, it has not gotten rid of the issue, but I feel like if I don't use it, I feel like it's going to get worse. It has made a huge difference in my skin. You can see. My eyes used to be a lot puffier, I feel like, before I started using it. Now I'm relaxing my eyes right now so you can see. I mean, I still have some hooded eyes. They are puffy, but I feel like they're not as puffy as they used to be before I started using the Retin-A. It's just unbelievable. So I really don't want to stop using it. I've had some people tell me that they heard that there's hair loss with Retin-A. And I have a little bit of hair loss in here, but it's since grown back. And that is due to the stress I was under. We moved from Illinois to Florida, and it was quite a move. It was very stressful. So I did lose hair, and I know that's what it's from. Since then, my hair's grown back and I haven't had an issue. And even my eyebrow hair is starting to grow back too, so I don't really have an issue with that. I'm sure that there's side effects. There's side effects to everything that you use. I mean, even vitamins have side effects. There are side effects to everything. So you just have to decide what you want to do for your skin. Retin-A may not be for everybody, but like I said, I want to keep using it because I do see benefits with my skin with it as far as anti-aging. But I also definitely, you know, think it's helping my sebaceous hyperplasia. It's not getting rid of it. It's not. But I don't want to stop using it because I'm so afraid that it's going to get worse if I don't. So I'm going to keep using it. So anyways, I just want to update you guys with it. You know, I'm not an expert. I'm just a consumer like you are. I'm just sharing my experience and what I'm doing. Anyways, that is it, guys. Let me know in the comments, do you use Retin-A? Do you not use Retin-A? I know it's not for everybody. I just want to hear if you guys use it. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Share my videos, helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. The more that you share my videos, the more that YouTube will share my videos out there so you watch them. So also make sure that you click that button below, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber because I share new videos every single week. Click that notification bell too because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you all real soon.